We've been talking about collecting data on your year. And let's go ahead and create some data now using a spreadsheet. I have a spreadsheet here set up with a bunch of tabs. I'm going to make a copy so I can edit it. It does have an app script in it that helps add timestamps. There's a few steps to this. In the first step, you'll enter your project. So I'm going to enter the website project and job duties, the types of things you do when you work on projects. So I'm going to say update knowledge base articles, 8 new articles. So I might have more than one job duty for each project. And then when I'm working, I will go to the next empty row and put my mouse in the start time column, click insert timestamp, authorize the script, and my timestamp is added automatically when I start. So I can add in the project and the job duty I'm working on. And then when I'm done that period of time, select the end time column, click insert timestamp, and I will automatically get the total amount of time. Let's just adjust this so I have a little bit of time showing there. Now in the step 4, it's going to automatically create charts based on the projects you're working on, and with pivot tables, sum up the time and the months and years. If you want to track time outside of calendar and create things like this, you can use this type of spreadsheet. See the description for a link to make your own copy.